Breaking news. Malami seriously scared and worried as his political array may be coming to an end. Says, my tenure in office has not ended. I am still the Attorney General of the Federation. If you have been paying attention and following closely, you would have seen that the National Assembly, NAS, has refused to Buhari's request, asking that a section of the newly signed electoral bill be amended so that those who are serving now could still, while serving, be elected into other offices while they are still serving in one particular office. And this reason is because of some of the people in the cabal. One of such persons is Abubakar Malami, who is largely looking forward to becoming the governor of Kebbi State. Yes, that is his dream. Is like Tinubu, his lifelong dream and ambition. However, the National Assembly has said no. They've refused. They did not humor. They did not. They don't want to even understand what he's trying to say. The answer was no. And that answer has not gone down well. In fact, yesterday he said he's going to prevail on Buhari, that they still need to, ask the National Assembly again. Maybe they did not understand what their request was. And if the National Assembly answer still remains no, he will take them to court. And now he's saying my tenure has not expired. I am still the governor. I am still the, Attorney General of the Federation. My tenure in office has not ended, Malami, as against reports that Abubakar Malami's son has resigned as the Attorney General of the Federation, AGF, and Minister of Justice. The minister on Thursday said his tenure in office has not ended. Speaking at the annual media conference organized by the National Association of Judiciary Correspondents, NAJUC, held in Abuja, Malami said there is naturally an end to everything and pray for a glorious end as AGF and Minister of Justice. According to him, those who relied on some unprofessional information dissemination will be taken aback that the Malami that was claimed to have resigned was seen in office discharging his function, including attending the Federal Executive Council FEC meeting yesterday, Wednesday, granting interview to journalists, and still today, Thursday, declaring his conference open as the AGF of the Federation. He appealed to journalists to refrain from dissemination of fake news and blaspheming and saying words that are not true and right. He warned against the practice where journalists would be conscripted by agencies to spread information that are untrue. He said it's unprofessional and people should not humor or listen to that. I have not resigned. I am still the Attorney General of the Federation. Regarding my ambition to becoming the governor of Kebbi State, that is still on hold, and we are watching and waiting forward to see what will happen when the president returns and go back to the National Assembly to ask for the expunged in a clause in the already signed Electoral Act. If this is done, then I don't need to resign from office. At the moment, I have not resigned. I'm still the Attorney General of the Federation. I tell you, everything that is being done, Buhari has to please the cabal. He has to please this guy because this guy is a real, he's a big shot, and they don't want to offend him. You see, they don't want to offend him. So this is what is happening right now. Whether you like it or not, the guy, is calling the shot to a large extent. You may think Buhari is the one in charge. Excuse me, you may be surprised. It may shock you to know that there are other people who are dispensing leadership direction in this country. It will shock you to know. And Abubakar Malami, for crying out loud, is one of such people who calls the shots, who tells Buhari what to do. You may not like it, but it's to a large extent. Okay, I mean, in the initial first, document that was sent to Buhari to sign with regards to the Electoral Act, it was the person that said Buhari will not sign it. And they said why? I said because they said it's only direct primaries. What does that direct primary entail? Direct primary entails that it has to be, all the party organ has to be involved in the selection process, which he clearly knows that if that is done, the people are the one picking, all things being done decently and in order, he will have no chance. So the best thing was to what? Ensure that that does not see the light of day. In fact, he kicked against it vehemently with all his heart, with all his might, with everything he can ever use to kick against it, was what he used to kick against it. And we can see how that played out until that very clause was amended. Unknown to Buhari again, Buhari went ahead and signed the second one. They would have told them again to retrieve it and expunge that. But Buhari just signed it. That's the way God wanted it. Buhari has signed it now. They are saying, oh, Buhari shouldn't have signed it. There is a portion there, and that portion does not go down well with them. So the Abubakar Malami is supposed to be the Attorney General of the Federation. However, he's one of the most controversial figure we've had in leadership in recent times. Oh, you don't want to know how. The guy is so controversial. If you want to speak of somebody who, is linked with all form of atrocity, whatever you want to call his name is there. That is the Attorney General of the Federation. His name is linked. His name is in all forms of crime and things going on. And one will be wondering, what kind of a person is this? Seriously, sincerely speaking, what kind of a man? What kind of mindset is this? You see, what kind of a man is this? And yet it's supposed to be the Minister of Justice. The Mary Odili's case just blew it open. The people said they are consultants to him. But guess what? Nobody followed it through. Because Abubakar Malami, sadly, is untouchable. Even Buhari cannot probe him. Nobody will understand and say, you know what, let's get to the bottom of this. How did the Attorney General get involved in those? Nobody cares. The investigation just goes, it goes to sleep. Said he's still the Attorney General of the Federation. That's the man who is supposed to be dispensing truth. However, is one of the most controversial figure in the country. You saw how he was trying to, free Abba Kyari, and he's a very nepotic person. It's sad, but these are the people, sadly, are in the ends of affair. So what do you expect? What do you expect? You see, leave us a comment. We'd love to hear from you. Please don't forget to like us, share, subscribe. God bless. Have a lovely and a fantastic day. From us, it's bye for now.